Short questions, Chapter 03. 1. Prove that change in momentum is impulse. 2. State Newton's second law of motion and define s.I unit of force. 3. Define the average and instantaneous velocities of moving body. Under what conditions they are equal. 4. At what point or points in its path does a projectile have its minimum speed and maximum speed? 5. Define linear momentum. How it is related to second law of motion. 6. Can the body of an object reverse the direction when acceleration is constant? If so, give an example. 7. Describe the Newton's first law of motion. 8. Explain the circumstances in which velocity and acceleration of a car are, a. anti-parallel, b. perpendicular. 9. Show that the rate of change of momentum is equal to force. 10. An object is thrown vertically upward. Discuss the sign of acceleration due to gravity relative to velocity. 11. What are factors on which the force due water flow depends? 12. Explain what is meant by projectile motion. Derive expression for range of projectile. 13. Derive the relation for maximum height reached by the projectile. 14. Define momentum and give its unit. 15. State Newton's third law of motion and give its two examples. 16. Motion with constant velocity is a special case of motion with constant acceleration. Is this statement true? Discuss. 17. Define impulse and show that how it is related to linear motion. 18. Explain the circumstances in which velocity and acceleration of a car are, a. parallel, b. perpendicular. 19. Define inertial and non-inertial frame of references. 20. State only law of conservation of linear momentum. 21. How the acceleration and distance covered by a body can be measured from velocity time graph.